One of the fun things for the weekend for me is doing the meal preparation. You can see here I've made up a big batch here. This is minced beef, various vegetables. What I then do is I portion them up in these containers on the scales, weigh them out to make sure that I've got about the same in each dish. And then when I'm ready to have it, they go in the freezer and I add my vegetables to that as well. So I'll have like stir-fried vegetables that I just use out of the freezer. About 2 to 3 cups of those with this dish as well. Sometimes I might have rice, depending on whether I'm doing a workout or not. But this whole process of what I'm doing right now, doing the meal preparation, serving it all out, what I do is I reconnect with my goals. Why am I doing this? Like, it's easy to do something else, right? But I do it, I'm connecting with why this is important for me. It's great for my nutrition, it suits with my health and fitness goals as well. And believe it or not, you're looking at about $4 a serve here. Healthy, I know exactly what's in it. I'm controlling it. It's taken a little bit of time to do, but it sets me up for success and saves money in the process. So many great benefits for doing it. So enjoy, go do yours.